Hello and welcome to our new video tutorial. Got a problem about fractions and applying fraction of amounts to problem solving. So I'm not sure if you can read this, but I'll read it out for you. On Friday lunchtime, I spend 1/6 of my money on fish and chips. On Saturday, I spend the rest of my money on a top that costs £35. How much did I spend at the chip shop and how much money did I start with? So the way we start to solve this problem, we need to think about this. It says on Friday lunchtime I spent 1/6 of my money on fish and chips. So on Friday we know we spent 1/6. So I can break up the amount of money that I spend into sixths. So if I draw a bar model, and split that into sixths, then I can start to picture the problem. Now I can think of this little block here as what I spend on Friday. This is my 1/6 on Friday. The second part of the problem says, on Saturday I spend the rest of my money on a top that costs £35. So I can think about this as this is the rest of my money. So here I have my remainder and I know that this much totals £35. So I can look at this and I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts total 35. So I can do 35 divided by these 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And using my times table knowledge, I know that that is 7. So I know that each of these blocks are worth 7. Now using my logic, I know that this one, because these are all equal size blocks, this one must also be worth 7. So that answers my first problem. How much did I spend at the chip shop? £7. Fish and chips were excellent. Lots of vinegar. So I spent £7, which is my 1/6, and I've spent my 35. So if I work out how much all of my money is, I'm working out how much 6/6 of my money is. So I know that it's 35 plus this 7, which equals 42. So I can answer my problem. How much did I spend at the chip shop? I spent £7 at the chip shop. And how much money did I start with? I started with my 35 I spent on the top and the 7 I spent at the fish and chip shop. £42. Now hopefully that's going to be useful for you in solving problems to do with fractions and using the bar model to picture it. Excellent stuff.